Hello everyone, Santosham to all of you. Welcome to the fourth episode of yogic practices related to activation of your pancreas. Come, let us start. First, come to this position. Sit like this. Sit erect. Keep your spine straight. Keep your arms like this. Legs stretched. No bend in your knees. Just stretch your legs. Now, slowly bend your left leg only. Just bend your left leg. Still try to keep as much as possible your spine straight. Now, the left leg is bent now. As far as possible, you are keeping your spine erect. Then hold the left leg with your left arm like this. Just hold. Be comfortable. If you are not able to keep your legs too close to the body, you can initially keep little away. Then thereby slowly you can improve and finally come to this position. Now hold it like this. Now use the right arm. You inhale and raise your right arm. Then you touch your ears. You touch your ears and stay there in that position for few seconds. Now you observe your bottom of the stomach. If you see, you will be able to feel the squeeze in the bottom of your stomach and the above areas. Just observe that. 1, 2, normal breathing while staying in the position. 4 and 5. Now slowly release the arm. Release your other arm, left arm. Release your leg and come to the relaxed position. Keep your arms in the back, legs free, closing your eyes. Inhale and exhale. Completely relax. Thinking of the body parts which has got pain or strain, especially the stomach position, stomach and below portions, your abdomen, especially your abdomen. Right. Relax yourself. Now we will practice the same thing for the other leg now. Now fold and keep your right leg. Now either here or here, that's fine. Initially, as I told you, as far as possible, closer to the body. Now try to make your spine erect. Use your right arm now to hold your right leg like this. Then when you got the support, slowly raise your left arm and bring it to the straight position up and touch your ears. Stay there in that position for at least 5 seconds, and your concentration should be on the right side part of your stomach and the body above that. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Right. Now slowly release your left arm, release your right arm, release your legs. Support your body with your arms on the back. Release your legs, be free. Close your eyes. Inhale and exhale completely. Thinking of the body parts which has got pain or strain. Also the stomach, abdomen, stomach and the pancreatic areas. Right. Relax completely. Right now, come to this position. Just sit on your legs like this. This is the only posture that you can practice after having food. Generally this particular posture will help you to increase your digestive process. So after food, if you practice for minimum of 8 to 10 minutes every time, your digestive process will become streamlined and it will be easy for you. Now, but that is not the entire exercise what we are going to see today. Now come to this position. Now what you do, see, fold your arms, your thumb like this. Over that you fold your other fingers. Now on the bottom of the stomach, just take your stomach in, place the arm here, then release the stomach so that it will be locked in. The arms will be locked in under the stomach. Now, slowly, now sitting erect, slowly breathe out and come down as much as possible. Initially, you might not come completely down. If this is your position, that is fine, but try not to lift your body like this. You stay there, the bottom, your body should touch the legs as much as possible. Don't try to lift it for bending too much down, but you can sit comfortably, keeping the arms in position while breathing out and coming. Just come down, come down, come down as much as possible. If it is possible, come completely down. More important is, you should not lift this portion too much. It should not happen like this. You should rest on this leg only, but you should squeeze the maximum. If initially you are able to do this much only, that is fine. You will feel the pressure in your abdomen, that is more important. Just come down if it is possible. Stay there in that position. One, normal breathing while you are staying there. Breathe in and breathe out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now breathe in and come up. Relax yourself. Deep inhale, complete exhale, thinking of your abdomen, stomach and the pancreas. Right, we'll do once again. Again, arms in position, sitting erect, breathe in deeply, breathe out slowly and come forward. When you are completely down, stay there in that position for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now breathe in and slowly come up. Right, release your fingers, keep it on the legs, relax completely, breathe in and breathe out. Initial times you might be having difficulty in sitting on your legs like that. If you are finding it too much difficult, you can sit on a chair also and bend forward like this. Then slowly you can try and improvise on sitting like this. Even sitting on a chair also will give you some benefits, but not equivalent to sitting like this on the floor. So these two techniques are in addition to the other techniques we have given you previously in other 3 episodes for activation of pancreas. So if you activate your pancreas, your digestive system will be in great condition, and hopefully this will help you in improving your health. Thank you for joining us. Santosham to all of you.